Comets. The word comet comes from the Greek comets, which means long-haired. Comets are also known by the name of shooting stars. Comets are bodies of ice, dust, and rock that orbit the sun and exhibit a coma or atmosphere extending away from the sun as a tail. When they are close to the sun, they have orbital periods that range from a few years to a few hundred or even thousands of years. Short-period comets have orbital periods of fewer than 200 years, and most of these orbits in the plane of the ecliptic, in the same direction as the planets. Their orbits take them past the orbit of Jupiter at aphelion, and near the Sun at perihelion. Long-period comets have highly elongated or eccentric orbits, with periods longer than 200 years and extending to thousands or perhaps even millions of years. These comets range far beyond the orbits of the outer planets, although they remain gravitationally bound to the Sun. Another class of comets, called single apparition comets, have a hyperbolic trajectory that sends them past the inner solar system only once. Then they are ejected from the solar system. Before late 20th century space probes collected data on comets, comets were thought to be composed primarily of ices and to be lone wanderers of the solar system. Now, with detailed observations, it is clear that comets and asteroids are transitional in nature, both in composition and in orbital character. Comets are now known to consist of rocky cores, with ices around them or in pockets, and many have an organic-rich dark surface. Many asteroids are also made of similar mixtures of rocky material with pockets of ice. There are so many rocky icy bodies in the outer solar system and the Kuiper belt, an Oort cloud, that comets are now regarded as the most abundant type of bodies in the universe. There may be 1 trillion comets in the solar system, of which only about 3,350 have been catalogued. Most are long-period comets, but several hundred short-period comets are known as well. The heads of comets can be divided into several parts, including the nucleus, the coma, or gaseous rim from which the tail extends, and a diffuse cloud of hydrogen. The heads of comets can be quite large, some larger than moons or other objects including Pluto. Most cometary nuclei range between 0.5 to 50 kilometers in diameter, and consist of a mixture of silicate rock, dust, water ice, and other frozen gases such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, ammonia, and methane. Some comets contain a variety of organic compounds including methanol, hydrogen cyanide, formaldehyde, ethanol, and ethane, as well as complex hydrocarbons and amino acids. Although some comets have many organic molecules, no life is known to exist on or be derived from comets. These organic molecules make cometary nuclei, some of the darkest objects in the universe, reflecting only 2 to 4% of the light that falls on their surfaces. This dark color may actually help comets absorb heat, promoting the release of gases to form the tail. Cometary tails can change in length and can be 80 times larger than the head when the comet passes near the Sun. Some exist in a wide disk beyond the orbit of Neptune called the Kuiper belt. We call these short-period comets. Short-period comets originate in the Kuiper belt, whereas long-period comets originate in the Oort cloud. Many comets are pulled out of their orbits by gravitational interactions with the Sun and planets or by collisions with other bodies. When these events place comets in orbital paths that cross the inner solar system, these comets may make close orbits to the Sun, and may also collide with planets, including the Earth. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to activate the bell icon to not miss any new videos.